Hi everyone, it's Yana Mi and welcome back to my channel. So today we have like little bit different setting because we just moved with kids like in totally new place. We have boxes all over. I barely found my charger for my camera. I don't have a monitor, so sometimes I might be looking into flip screen over here because I need to make sure that it's still recording and it's still active. So sorry for that in advance. I will be reviewing today's stuff that Octoly gifted me at the PUR No Filter Blue Primer, and also leading you through this makeup look. So keep on watching and thank you so much. Like, please, share and subscribe. Every action under this video is helping me a lot. So I'm so grateful for you, and let's jump right into the video. So we'll start with PUR No Filter Blur Photography Primer that PUR gifted to me through Octoly. And I will continue with Kevyn Aucoin Foundation Balm that you already know how it looks on me without blurring primer, so you can compare it in this video. Don't forget about your ears and about your neck and space behind the ears, and especially on the back of your neck, because you know, if you're like wearing something like me right now, it may be an equation when you turn around and color here like different from everything around. So far on the camera, if I look into my flip screen, I see that it gives some luminosity, but in person when I look in the mirror, I'm not sure about it. It really reflects artificial light really beautifully. I'm not sure does it do the same without light. Maybe some. I think it's like it gives like some like healthy glow from within. Yeah, it's really interesting. It's very subtle looking glow. It's not like in your face Instagram highlight business. For brows I will use Total Temptation from Maybelline. Warm it up. It's a Lash Touch Clack Stick that I got from Octoly as well. You know, Octoly is a great platform. It has a lot of restrictions that are very tough for creators, like posting times. That's why I'm posting today, even like though I don't have my setting yet in place, I don't have my boxes unpacked, but I will still post it within the timeline because I don't want to lose my creator spot. And there is like sometimes there is like great products like Kevyn Aucoin or this like filter or this touch clock stick that are incredible and totally worth reviewing, you know, all this work. But also there goes challenges as posting time. Now I will use liquid blush from Nars in shade Orgasm. I need a little tiny teeny dot. Let me know in comments down below if you would like comparison of liquid Orgasm Nars blush and dry Orgasm blush. I will use Revlon Colorstay Jade, I'm not sure how to pronounce it, eyeliner. Bold brown Maybelline Studio eyeliner. Select sheer MAC powder. Lash Princess Mascara. I like the green one way much more than purple. As you can see, I have like different lengths of lashes. You know why? Because I use Lash Grow serums. And I use so many of them. I use Latisse, I use... gosh, what's the other one? I use Latisse, I use Grand Lashes, and I use the other ones that I'm just like trying out right now. So if you would like a review on that, and you see like the difference, here's my natural lashes, here's after lash serum. If you'd like me to make a video about lash serums, comment down below please too, so I can make content in which you're really interested in. Lash Princess. Use M Cosmetics Lippy. This tastes, not taste, it smells like a cupcake and it's like so cute, so warm. Really soft creamy formula. Kind of natural, kind of soft, dewy, glowy, really easy and quick makeup. So I hope you liked it. I'm so sorry for this background. I'm so sorry for any possible sounds that I might discover during editing. Thank you so much for tuning in. Tell me please if you would like to know more information. I will be teaching makeup classes soon in a college, so if you would like it's cold. If you'd like to know more about that, tell me please. And while you're waiting for next video, check out for these two videos over here. And thank you so much for being part of this channel. Thank you so much for helping me to grow, and thank you so much for your contribution into content. Love you so very much. Thank you. Bye. So if you was here for Seawear eyeglasses review, I need to ask you to wait a little bit more because company still did not respond anything about the issue that I'm having and how to proceed it further. So, and I don't want to make any moves that are necessary, so I will wait a little bit more for them to respond and then I will post a video. And thank you for understanding.